P is a point on this one. If you clearly observe, this 3 comma 6 is the end point of the lattice sector, and T is equal to 1. Actually, this is L1 and this is L2. Now, length of lattice rectum is equal to this length of lattice rectum is 4a is equal to 12. Now, normal at T meets the parabola again at T2. So, this T2 is equal to minus T1 minus 2 by T1 is minus 3. So, this point is 80 square comma 280 minus 80. So, this length of normal chord L1 is equal to root over 24 square plus 24 square, which is equal to 24 root 2. L2 is equal to 12. So the answer is equal to 2 root 2. Answer is 2 root 2. Next question is PQ be the points on parabola. If you observe here, A is equal to 4. Sorry, A is equal to 4A. So this is the point on the lattice rectum. End points, one of the end point of lattice rectum. Okay, so T is equal to 1. T is equal to 1. Okay, now 18 comma minus 12 will be somewhere here. The equation of the straight line having the slope 1 by 2 and passing through the point of intersection of tangents drawn to the parabola at P and Q. So you need to take it up. What is the tangent here and here? What is this one? So T1 is equal to 1 here. T2, AT square comma 280. AT square comma 280. So 280 is equal to minus 12. So what is A value? A value 2. So this is 4. T is equal to minus 3. So what is this point? A T1 T2. A T1 T2 comma A into T1 plus T2. So A is equal to 2. T1 T2 is minus 3 comma A is 2 into minus 2. So the point is minus 6 comma minus 4. Passing through this one, slope is 1 by 2. So slope is 1 by 2 means x minus 2y. X minus 2y. So minus 2 is equal to 0. The answer is x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. So the point of required is point of intersection is A T1 T2 comma A into T1 plus T2. Don't try to find out the point of intersection. If the line x minus y is equal minus 4k is a tangent to this one at P, then the perpendicular distance of the normal at P from the point k comma to k. Now this is the normal to this one. Okay, so y is equal to x plus 4k is a tangent to this one. C is equal to A is 2 by m. So k is equal to 1. So the line is y is equal to x plus 2. Y is equal to x plus 2. Okay. Perpendicular distance of the normal at P. Perpendicular distance of normal. So what is k is equal 1 by 2? So the point is actually 1 by 2 comma 1. I need the perpendicular distance 1 comma 2 to a line perpendicular to this one. What is the point of contact? A by m square comma minus 2a by 1. This is the point on when y is equal to mx plus c is a thing. So a by m square, m is equal to 1 and a by 2 comma minus 4. a by m square comma sorry plus 2a by m. So 2 comma 4. So perpendicular to this one and passing through 2 comma 4, I can write it as x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Perpendicular distance from this one to this one. 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 6 modulus by root, which is equal to minus 5. So is equal to 9 by 2 root 2 is the answer. So you need to know the condition for tangents and point of contact. Okay. Next question is the point of intersection of parabolas lie on the line. So here one is the inverse of the other. So it will be always lies on y is equal to x. One is the inverse of the other. Always lies on y is equal to x. What is the equation of the parabola? Focus directrix. SP square x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to x plus y plus 3 whole square by 2. So this is 2 times of x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 2 is equal to this is x square plus y square plus 2xy plus 6x plus 6y plus 9. So you can take it as x square plus y square minus 2xy minus 2xy minus 4x minus 10x plus minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0 is the answer. Next question is if the parabola with the focus at 4 comma minus 3 vertex is this one. Parabola x value is same. So this is focus is 4 comma minus 3. Vertex is 4 comma minus 1. So the parabola is going to be like this. So the equation is this value x minus 4 whole square is equal to, this is the negative direction, minus this length is 2 units. So 4a means minus 8, okay, into y plus 1. So this is the answer you need to get. Okay. So this is x square minus 8x plus 8y plus 24 will be the answer. Next question is suppose a parabola passes through 0 comma 4 1 comma 9 4 comma 9 has its axis parallel to y axis. The equation of the parabola is, so again this is equal to a parabola parallel to y axis. So that means y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So what I suggest is better verify with 0 comma 4 first. 0 comma 4. 12y minus 48. Yes, this is the answer. This is no chance. And here, no chance. Because a plus 48 plus 48. No. Anyway, this square will be for x only. So these three are ruled out. I'll go and mark the answer as A. Next question is, suppose a parabola focus at 0 comma 0 has x minus y plus 1 is as its tangent at the vertex, then the equation of the directrix is, so if you look at here, x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to x plus 1. Okay, y is equal to x plus 1. This is the origin. So suppose a parabola with focus at this one and this one as the tangent at the vertex. Okay, tangent at the vertex. Then where is the directrix? So directrix is going to be here. So this is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. And here, this length you can look at it. This is the x minus y is equal to 0. Directrix will be x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0 is going to be the answer. Next question is the coordinates of the focus of parabola describe parametrically this one are coordinates of the focus. So you need to find out what is this one. X minus 2 whole square by 5 is equal to, what is this is t square. T square is this one. This is t square, sorry. This is t square. What is t value? Y minus 4 by 10 whole square. So y minus 4 whole square is equal to 20 times of x minus 2. So you have this one as 2 comma 4. From here to here 5 units. 5 units come this side. So this is 7 comma 4 is the answer. The parabola with the directrix x plus 2y minus 1 and focus is. Again the same thing. SP square is equal to PM square. X minus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to x plus 2y minus 1 whole square by 5. So 5x square minus x square, 4x square should be there and minus 4xy will be there. So this portion is ruled out and this one also ruled out. Next 5y square minus 4y square plus y square, in both the cases same. Constant is 5 plus 4, so y value you need to check it out. What is the y value? This one minus 4y comes this side plus 4y. So the A is the right answer. Length of the lattice sectum of the parabola. So you look at here x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to, you have 5x minus 12y plus 17 by 13 whole square. So this 169 will become 13 square. Okay, you need to write root over a square plus b square. So what is the length of the lattice sector? Okay, because here 139 is there. So x plus 1, this one. So this is SP square is equal to PM square. You are getting that. SP square is equal to PM square. So what is this one? This is the directrix. This point is 1 comma 3. From here to here, what is this one? This is the semi-lattice sector. So what is this one? 5x minus 12y plus 17 is equal to 0. So semi-lattice sector modulus of 5 minus 36 plus 17 by 13, which is equal to 22. So this is 22 minus 36, 14. So 14 by 13 is semi-lattice sectum. So total lattice sectum is 28 by 13 is the answer. Next question is, if y is equal 3x minus 2 is a straight line touching this parabola, if the line drawn perpendicular to this at P on it touches given parabola, then the point P is, what is, let me write the things. This is a given parabola. Y is equal 3x minus 2 is touching this one. A line drawn perpendicular to this one, perpendicular to this line at P on it. Okay. So that line is going to touch this one. What is the P point? They're asking what is the P point. So it will be going to intersect on the, because perpendicular tangents always lies on the directrix. So what is this one? This point will be 2 comma 3. This point is 2 comma 3. Now length of lattice rectum is 12. So you take 3 units. This is 5 comma 3. Take 3 units back. Okay. So that directrix will be, okay, this P is going to be on the directrix. 3 units you take minus 1. So x value should be equal to minus 1 and y value will be. So you can take, because how the line is there, y is equal to 3x plus 2. How the line is 3x plus 2. Accordingly you take it out. Okay. So here what happened, x is equal minus 2. There are the 2 points on this one. So you need to write. So what will happen? Look at here, x is equal minus 1. What is the y value? Y is equal to minus 1. Clear. So this is a point, this is not the point. Next one is the angle between the tangents drawn from y square is equal to 4x from the point 1 comma 4. So y square is equal to 4x. Somewhere here 1 comma 2, 1 comma 4 will be here. Tangents were drawn. I don't know how the tangents are going to. Okay, so what is the angle between those? Angle between the tangent. So any tangent I'll write y minus 4 is equal to m into x minus 1. Y is equal to mx. Otherwise, in the simpler manner, let me go with the board. Any tangent to this is y is equal to mx plus a by m is passing through 1 comma 4. So my is equal to m square x plus 1. So 1 comma 4. 4m is equal to m square plus 1. So m square minus 4m plus 1 is equal to m1 plus m2 is equal to 4. m1 m2 is equal to 1. I need tan theta. Tan theta is equal modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So from here m1 minus m2 modulus is equal to square root of m1 plus m2 whole square minus 4m1 m2 is equal to, you'll get 2 root 3 because the value is 12. So this is equal to 2 root 3 by 2. So answer is going to be pi by, answer is equal to pi by 3. The parabola y x square is equal to 4ay makes intercept of length of root 40 on the line y is equal to 1 plus 2x, then the value of this value. So x square is equal to 4a into 1 plus 2x. So x square minus 8ax minus 4a is equal to x1 plus x2 is equal to 8a. x1, x2 is equal to minus 4. So if it is the x1, y1, x1 comma 1 plus 2x1, x2 comma 1 plus 2x2. What is the distance between this one? AB square is equal, let me go for AB square first of all. Square root, AB only, square root, okay. x1 minus x2 whole square plus 2 times of x1 minus x2 whole square, which is equal to root over 3 times of x1 minus x2, x1 plus x2 whole square, 64a square minus 4x1 x2 plus 16. So 48 times of 16 I'm taking. A is also out. So here 16 I am taking. So 4a plus 1 is equal to 40. What is the 4a value they are asking? So this value is 5 and this value is 6. So 6a into 4a plus 1 is equal to 5. So what is the value of 4a? You can check it out. Minus 2. If 4a is equal to minus 2, what is this value? And verify. Okay. If the line y is equal to 6x plus 1 touches this parabola, the coordinates of P on this line, from which tangent to this one is perpendicular to this. So the point should be on the directrix of this one. What is the directrix? X is equal to minus a minus 6. If x is equal to minus 6, this value will be equal to minus 35. Okay? Because you have this is the tangent. I need the perpendicular tangent to this. So it will be always on the directrix. The tangents to the parabola from external point makes theta 1, theta 2 such that theta 1, tan theta 1 P lies on. P lies on. So y is equal to mx plus a by m is passing through x1, y1. So m square x minus my plus a is equal to 0. So tan theta 1 is m1, tan theta 2 is m2. m1 plus m2 is equal to y by x is equal to b. So answer is y is equal to dx. So with this one, I am concluding the session. Thank you very much. Hello students, welcome to the another session. In today's session, we will be discussing the questions from parabola. So the first question is, if the focal chord drawn through the point 1 comma 2 to meet the parabola y square is equal to 8x. Y square is equal to 8x. At x1, y1, x2, y2, then what is x1 plus x2? It is a focal chord. So, if this is a parabola and a chord, 1 comma 2, maybe internal, external, doesn't matter. Actually, it is going to be internal 1 comma 2. What is the focus? A comma 0. A is 2. So 2 comma 0. Now, this line is meeting at A and B, x1, x2. X coordinates only we are taking. What is x1 plus x2? So you write the line equation joining 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 0. So slope of this line will be 2 minus 0 by 1 minus 2. So minus 2 is the slope. So what is this? Y is equal to, or y minus 0 is equal to m into x minus x1. So what will happen? Y is equal to 4 minus 2. So now this line is meeting this line. So replace y with this. So y square. So 4 times of 2 minus x whole square is equal to 8. 4 ones are 4 twos. So you are going to get x square minus 4x minus 6x plus 4 is equal to 0. What is x1 plus x2? x1 plus x2 is equal to 6. If you want x1, x2, what is x1, x2 is going to be 4. Okay. Moving to the next question. L dash be the lattice rectum and PQ be the focal chord of parabola. Y square is equal to 16x. Okay. PQ is a focal chord. So this P is 1 comma 4. lattice rectum will be here. So this point is focus of this one is 4a is equal to 16. So 4 comma 0. Lattice rectum here 4 comma 4 and this side no 4 comma 8 and this is 4 comma minus 8. This is L, this is L dash. A comma 2a. So they are asking the P and L are the same side. So they are asking this distance between these points. So what is P? LP is equal to under root of 4 minus 1, 3 whole square, 9 plus this value will be equal to 8 minus 4 whole square, 16. So the answer is equal to, okay, if they are in the same side, answer should be equal to 5. Answer should be equal to 5 because they are saying Pn. And if I want to find this value, okay, PL dash, L dash P is equal to square root of 9 plus this value 144, which is equal to root over 153. Okay. So here this is LP and LP dash, we got it. But what they are asking, they are not asking us to find LP, they are asking LQ. So I need this point Q. What is LQ? They are asking this value. Okay. I'm repeating this question. I'm repeating. See, given parabola is y square is equal to 16x. Here the point is here P1 comma 4, P1 comma 4, and what is Q? This is the focal chord, and LL dash, L is equal to 4 comma 8 is L, L dash will come. So now this is 1 comma 4. What is this point? If one end of the focal chord is 80 square comma 280, this is P, then Q will be equal to A by T square comma minus 280. So A is equal to here 4. So that means T is equal to 1 by. Okay. 80 square comma 2. So here what will happen? 4 4s are 16 and minus 280. Answer 80 minus 2a by t. So it will be equal to minus 4a. So it will be equal to minus 16. So this point is 16 comma minus 16. I need the distance between this one. LQ is equal to root over 24 minus 16 whole square, 12 square. So this will be equal to 144 plus this value 8 plus 24 whole square. So it is 12 square plus 24 square. So simply you can write 12 square under root this one, root 5 is the answer for this particular question. Next question. If one end of the focal chord of parabola y square is equals to 8 by ax is at 1 comma 4. So 1 comma 4 is a point on this. So 16 is equal to 8 by a. So that means a is equal to 1 by 2. So this parabola is y square is equal to 16x. This is the parabola. This is a very similar question. Just now what we have done, same thing. Because y square is equal to 16x, this point is 1 comma 4. They are asking the length of the focal chord. Length of the focal chord. So focus is 4 comma 0. So here at square is equal to 1. So that means t is equal to 1 by. What is the length of the focal chord? Length of the focal chord. Actually, what is that one? You can remember this one. One point is at square comma 2at. Another point will be a by t square comma minus 2a by t. So length of focal chord is a is common, and then it will be t plus 1 by t whole square will come on simplification. So this will be a is 4, t plus 1 by t is 2 plus 1 by t, 5 by 4 whole square. So the answer is going to be, okay, answer is going to be a square, this one a is equal to, they are asking, look at here. Now this point will be 1 comma 4, this is 16 comma minus 16. Why? A by t square comma minus 2a by t. So this is 4 by 1 by 4 comma minus 8 comma 2. So the distance between these root over 15 square plus this is 20 square, which is equal to 25. Okay. So or you can also remember directly formula. What is the length of the focal chord? That is the length of the focal chord formula I am giving here. At square comma 2at is 1 point. A by t square comma minus 2a by t another point. That focal chord length is equal to root over a square into t square minus 1 by t square whole square plus 4a square into t plus 1 by t whole square. So a is outside, modulus of t plus 1 by t is outside. So it will be root over t minus b whole square. So you are going to get this one. So a times of t square plus 1 by t whole square. So here a is 4, t square is equal to 1 by 2. So 2 plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 4 times of 25 by 4. Answer is equal to 25. Next question is, statement is there, is the equation of parabola having 2 comma 3 as its focus, and this is the directrix. What is the parabola? SP square is equal to PM square. So x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to x plus 2y plus 5 whole square by 5. Okay, you take it up 5 times of x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to, you take it as x plus 2y my plus 5 whole square. So 4 times of x square will come. Here 5y square minus 4y square will come. Here minus 4xy. Yes, statement 1 is going to be correct because here constant term also check it out. Now, next question is, that is the statement 1 is absolutely right. Coming to the statement 2, what is the statement 2? They are talking about statement 2 is, what is the directrix of this equation? So, this is x minus 2 whole square plus 16y plus 48 is equal to 0. So it is x minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 16 times of y plus 4. So the equation is 1 comma 2 and negative direction. So the parabola is going to be like this. Maybe origin will be anywhere. I'm least bothered about what is the position of this one. This is 2 comma minus 4. Length of lattice rectum is 4 units. So above 4, you are going to get the direct axis here. So from here, you need to take 4 units up. So the point is, this is going to be the x axis. So equation is y is equal to 0. Statement 2 is wrong. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is wrong. The vertex and the focus of the parabola respectively. So you look at this equation. So 5y, okay. What we will do is take 2 outside, x square minus 3x. So to make it as a perfect square, I need to write plus 9 by 4 plus 5y plus 1. Because I'm adding, I need to subtract minus 9 by 2 is equal to 0. This is x minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 5 by 2 y, and this is minus 7 by 2 goes that side plus 7 by 2. So the answer is x minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 5 by 2 common y minus 7 by 10. So vertex is this value is, okay, look at the vertex. Vertex is 3 by 2 comma 7 by 10. So either this one or this one is going to be the option. Then length of lattice rectum is equals to 5 by 8 because this is 4a. So this parabola is going to be like this. So this value I know. So focus is required. So how many units? 5 by 8 units. So x value will not change. So now 7 by 10 minus 5 by 8. LCM will be equal to 40. This is 28 minus 25. 3 by 40. D is the right answer for this particular question. Next question is, if y square is equal to 16x is the given parabola, then the point of intersection of focal chord through the point 2 comma 2 and the double ordinate of length is 24 is. So y square is equal to 16x. A chord is passing through 2 comma 2 and the 4 comma 0. 2 comma 2 will be here. What is the slope of this line? Minus 1 is the slope. So the equation is x plus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 4. Double ordinate is 24. What is the double ordinate length? 24. So double ordinate 24 means here a comma 80 square comma 280. So another point will be 80 square comma minus 280. So a is equal to 4. So 480 is equal to how much they are saying? 480 is equal to 24. Okay. So 4 6. So what is t value? 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So the value will be equal to somewhere this is going to be the line double ordinate. What is the double ordinate? X is equal to 80 square. So x is equal to a is 4 into t square is 9 by 4. X is equal to 9. So if x is equal to 9, y is equal to what is the value? You will be getting minus 5 because the intersection of these two only I need. Intersection of these two only needed. If a parabola having the horizontal axis passing through these 3 points. So horizontal axis means what is this one? X is equal to ay square plus by plus c. This is passing through these points. Then y coordinate of the focus of the parabola. Okay. So what happened? Minus 2 is equal to a plus b plus c. 1 is equal to what happened? 4a plus 2b plus c. Minus 1 is equal to how much? 9a plus 3b plus c. So from first two, you will be getting 3a plus b is equal to 3. This minus this. Next one is 5a plus b is equal to minus 2. From here, minus 2a is equal to this value will be 5. So a is equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay. So then b is equal to 3 minus of minus plus 15 by 2 is equal to 21 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 plus 21 by 2 plus c is equal to minus 2. So this value is equal to 8. So c is equal to minus 10. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2 x square plus 21 by 2 x plus 10. So you make it as 2x is equal to, sorry, this is y square. Okay, minus 5y square plus 21 5 plus 20. Now what is the thing is, you need to find the coordinates of the focus of, we convert into standard. So if you look at here, this is going too lengthy. Maybe I can make it as little easier, since they mentioned it is axis is parallel to. So simply what I'll do, y minus k whole square is equal to some constant a into x minus h. Three unknowns. I need k value direct. So first one, it is passing through minus 2 comma 1. So 1 minus k whole square is equal to a times of minus 2 minus h. And 2 minus k whole square is equal to a times of 1 minus h. Next one is 3 minus k whole square is equal to a times of minus 1 minus h. You take these two, then take these two. A will be eliminated and slowly eliminate h. You are going to get the k value, and the k value is 21 by 10. Okay. Next question is the area of the triangle formed by the lattice rectum of parabola x square is equal to 16y and line joining the lattice rectum. This is the lattice rectum. So what is this one actually? 0 comma 4. So now this is 4. So 8 comma 4 and minus 8 comma, and line joining the vertex of parabola to the ends of the lattice rectum. So this length of lattice rectum is half, base is this one. This base is equal to 16 into height is 4 units. So the answer is equal to 32 units. And the next question is a point on the parabola whose focus and vertex are respectively this. So you need to check the parabola and which of these are satisfying. So you look at here, y value is not changing. Okay. Focus is 5 by 4 comma minus 2. Vertex is 1 comma minus 2. So this length is 1 by 4. So parabola is going to be like this. What is the parabola? Y minus of minus 2 whole square. A is 1 by 4. Length will be equal 4 units into x minus 1. So which one is satisfying? 4 is equal to first point. No. Second point. 15 minus 1. 15 minus 1. So 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. No. 3 comma minus 1. Okay. And next one 10 comma 1. 10 comma 1. Yes. 10 comma 1 is the answer. Why? 10. So this value, when you substitute, this value will be 9. This value will be 3 square. Next question is, if a circle with its center at the focus of 2px. So what is the center? Center is, what is the focus of this one? P by 2 comma 0. Such that touches the directrix of the parabola. Then the point of intersection of circle and parabola is. So, such that it touches the directrix of parabola. So, x minus p by 2 whole square plus y square is equal length of lactate. What is the distance between this? So, if this is the parabola, you are taking this one and touching the directrix. This is a unit, this is a unit. So the radius will be equal to 2a units. So where it is intersecting. So this is a units. So it will be equal to half of this one, that is p square. Right? And y square is equal. So simply x minus p by 2 whole square plus 2px is equal to p square. Okay, because if this is length is a, this is 2a. Now this length is p by 2, this value will be p. So what you are going to get? X square my plus px minus 3p square by 4 is equal to 0. You just check it out. So you are going to get these two. Two values are possible. Two values are possible. Because this is p by 2 comma 0, clearly that value will be more than p by 2 or at p. So for example, as per this one, if I take p by 2, if I take, this value will be equal to 0. Okay, so yes, x is equal p by 2 is satisfied. X is equal p by 2 means, what is the y value? X is equal p by 2 means it is going to intersect on the lattice rectum. So end points of lattice rectum. End points of lattice rectum, what will happen? P by 2 comma plus p or minus p. So you have p by 2 comma minus p. So from here you need to understand one important point is, look at here, if you diagram properly, if you draw, this is the center, whatever this length will be equal to length of this one. Okay, so this is 2a unit, this is 2a. So the circle is going to be like this. Circle is going to be like this. Okay. Next question is, consider the parabola match the following. Okay. So this equation is y plus 1 whole square is equal to minus 2x plus 4. So this is y plus 1 whole square is equal to minus 2 times of x minus 2. So vertex is 2 comma minus 1. Vertex is 2 comma minus. D is mapped with 1. So either this is possible or this one. Either this or this one. And focus point, actually I think this is point is missing here. Equation of directrix. So 2 comma minus 1 will be here. This value will be like this. 2 comma minus 1. Okay. So next one is, what is the equation of the axis? Equation of the axis is equal to this one. So what is the thing? X is equal to 2. Equation of the axis is x is equal to 2. Okay. So here something is missing, but I want to tell you these options are somewhere is missing. So just I'll explain you clearly what is this. So this equation is y plus 1 whole square is equal to minus 2 times of x minus. Okay. So here vertex is 2 comma minus 1. Okay. And the axis is equal to y is equal to this value will be here throughout the equation. Y is equal y plus 1 is the axis equation, right? So second one is going to C is going to be fourth one. So clearly first option is the right answer. Okay, but remaining here missing is that we'll see that one later. You go for calculating those things. A, B, C be the points on parabola y square is equal to 4x. If alpha, beta respectively represent the area of the triangle, area of the triangle formed by the tangents at ABC of above parabola, okay, then alpha plus beta. So you people need to understand one thing. So the area of the triangle formed by tangents at these 3 points. So what is this area and area of this one? This is always double to this one. So you just find out what is the area of these 3 points. So what is the area of these 3 triangles into 3 times of that, into 3 times you are going to get, because this area you check it out and you check this area. Simple. Okay. So this area is double to this one. So total is 3 times of this. So what is the area of this one? Of 1 to 4 minus 4, 2 to root 2, 1 comma 1 by 2 times of minus 4 minus 8 minus 12. This is 8 root 2 plus this is 8 plus 4 minus 2. 1 by 2 times of 8 root 2. This is 6 root 2. 12 is cancelled. So this value will be equal to 3 root 2. This answer is equal to 3 root 2 area. So the total area is equal to, okay, no, just a minute. I'm repeating this question. So 3 points are given on the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Let us say A, B, C. Area of the triangle formed by ABC is alpha and tangents drawn at ABC. This area is beta. This area is alpha. See, alpha is equal to always 2 times of beta. Alpha is equal to always 2 times of beta. So they are asking alpha plus beta by 2. So I require 3 alpha by 2 alpha. 3 alpha by 2. So you just check it out, what is area of the triangle formed by ABC of 1 to 4 minus 4, 2 root 2, 1 2. So 1 by 2 times of minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 plus 8 root 2 plus 8 plus 4 minus 2 root 2. This is plus 12 minus 12 cancel. 8 6 root 2 means 3 root 2. Alpha is equal to 3 root 2. I require 3 alpha by 2 is 9 root 2 by 2 is the answer. Actually, this is somewhere missing. This is not the answer. Okay. So, this is 9 root 2 by 2. So, 9 by root 2 should be the answer of this question. If the number of points on parabola y square is equal to x at which the slope of the normal drawn at the point is equal to x coordinate of the point. Number of points on y square is equal to x. Number of points y square is equal to x. At which the slope of the normal. So what is the slope of the normal? Let us look at 2y y dash is equal to 1. So y dash is equal to 1 by 2y. So slope of normal is equal to minus 1 by y dash is equal to minus 2. If the point is x comma y, slope is this one. Now, at which the slope of normal drawn at the point is equal to x coordinate is equal to x. But this x comma means minus 2y comma y is a point on y square is equal to x. So, y square is equal to minus 2y. So, either y is equal to 0 or y is equal to minus 2. Okay. So, if y is equal to minus 2, okay, what is the point of x value? Equal to the number of points. How many points are there? 0 comma minus 2. So, x is equal to 0 will be there and x is equal to 4. So, how many points are there? 1 point and 2 points are there. Number of points they are asking about. If the normal at one end of the lattice rectum, y square is equal to 16x. So, lattice rectum is 4 comma 8 and 4 comma minus 8. If normal at one end of the lattice meet the x-axis at the point P, they are asking length of the chord passing through P and perpendicular to the normal. Length of the chord passing through P and perpendicular to this one. What is the answer? So what is the normal at 4 comma 8? So what is the normal at 4 comma 8? Slope of the tangent is 2y y dash is equal to 16. So y dash is equal to 1. Slope of the tangent is 1. This slope is minus passing through this one. So x plus y is equal to 12. So the point P is 12 comma 0. And this line equation is with the slope 1. So that equation is x minus y is equal to 12. So y is equal to, okay, what is the y value? Y is equal to x minus 12. So where it is going to meet these 2 points. Okay, so if I write here r y square, so x is equal to y plus 12. So if you write that value only here, y square is equal to 16y plus 12 into 16. So y square minus 16y minus 12 into 16 is equal to 0. You will be getting y1, y2. Right? Just start simplifying the things. Okay. So from there, you are going to get the answer for this question. And the answer is 32 root 2. And what is the answer? 32 root 2. Okay. Next question is, let P represent the point 3 comma 6 on y square is equal to 12x. For parabola, y square is equal to 12x. If T1 is the length of the normal chord drawn at P, T2 is the length of the focal chord drawn at P, then I think this should be T1 by T2. This should be T1 by T2. So this is the parabola. 3 comma 6 is there. So normal chord, what is the length of the normal chord you need to write? That is T1. And what is the focal chord? Focus is 4A is equal to this one. Okay. So this is the focal chord. Clearly, focal chord, length of the focal chord L2 or T2 is equal to directly 2A. Okay. Because this point is vertex focus is 3 comma 0. This is 6 units, this is 6 units, 12 units. I need only this value. Okay. So if normal at T1 meets a parabola again at T2, what is T2? T2 is equal minus T1 minus 2 by T1. So here A is equal to 3. So T1 is equal to 1. T1 is equal to 1. T2 is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So AT square comma minus 2AT. Okay, AT square comma minus 2AT. So minus 3. So here what happened? 2A 6 into 3. So the answer is 27 and this value will be equal to 18. So distance between these 2 points. Look at here. What is this one? 24 whole square plus 12 whole square. You take 12 outside and this value will be equal to root 5. This value will be equal to root 5. Okay, because what you are going to get, this is root over extension. Okay, so 3 comma 6 normal cut. Because your normal at T1 meets a parabola again at T2. What is T2? Minus T1 minus 2 by T1. This is AT square comma 2AT. A is equal to 3. AT is equal to 1. Okay, so it is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 we have taken. So simplify, you are going to get the answer this one. Okay.